This may be as high of impact as anything I'm going to tell you. And most investors do it backwards. Don't solve title issues until you're under contract. Think about that for a second. How many times, and be honest with yourself, how many times have you gone to see a seller and the seller tells you up front, we got title problems. There are 4 of us that's inherited this. One of my brothers is dead. They've got 2 children, and you run off down the street trying to fix all of this, and you're not even under contract. And then what if you fix it? You may have fixed this for someone else because you're not under contract yet. Get them under contract, then solve your title issues. It is imperative that you do it that way. Okay. Think about these 2 responses you could give that example. You're talking to Joe, the seller. Well, Joe, I don't know. I don't know. We never close this thing. Let me see what I can do. Let me make a phone call or 2. That's one response. How about this response? Hey, Joe, we deal with it all the time. My title company is great at this. They're going to work with you hand in hand to fix all of this so we can close, but they cannot start that process till we have a contract. Let's get a contract signed. Let me get it over to my title company. They'll work with you almost on a daily basis. Don't charge you a penny unless we close, and that actually I'll probably pay for it. But let's get a contract going, and we'll fix all of this, and we'll be closing in 3 or 4 weeks. Good chance we'll be closed. Think about those two different responses there, what the difference is.